teaspoon of nutmeg, 3 sticks of cinnamon, 9 to 10 cloves, and 10 to 12 black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I'm going to dry roast them and then simply grind them all together. I've taken 2 pieces of chicken here and I've just made cuts like these, so this mixture gets in really well. So for the mandi paste, I've taken the mandi masala and now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of lime juice and 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Here I've got 1 teaspoon of ginger powder and 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. I'm just going to mix it well and make paste. Thick paste, and you just coat it really well on your chicken, especially in the cuts, so it is very nice. Pretty much really well. I'm just going to steam it like rice, and I have taken 4.5 glass water inside, and I'm just going to steam it for 15 to 20 minutes. My chicken is completely steamed for around 25 minutes, and this is the stock which I'm going to use for my rice. But right now, the first step is I'll fry my chicken just in a bit. So I'll take a teaspoon of oil, and now I'll add my steamed chicken. So this is my steamed chicken right now, and I'll just simply add it in twice. I'm going to fry it for like 5 minutes each side. Look how beautiful it looks. Now it's time for the rice. So for the rice, I've taken 2 tablespoons butter and I'm going to add like 2 to 3 tablespoons of the oil in which we fried our chicken. So now I'm going to add a few almonds and a few raisins. I'll just fry them for a minute and then I'll take them out. So I've taken it out and now I'm going to add my onion. I've taken 1 onion and I'm going to fry it until nicely golden brown. In the same oil obviously. They're brown, and at this stage I'll add my ginger garlic paste. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'll saute it for around a minute and that's it. Now I'll add 1 tablespoon of the mandi masala that we made. Add salt accordingly. And now at this stage I will add the stock which we made or we prepared while we were steaming the chicken. I'm adding my stock in it now. I'll bring it to a boil and then I'll add my 2 cups of pre-soaked rice and that's it. Now I'm going to add my rice. At this stage, check your salt and add it according to your taste. So I'm going to add my fried almonds and raisins and my chicken obviously. Cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes. And your rice is ready. I have my coal in it and that's it. I'll check it after 5 minutes.